So I'm at the bank, and I come outside, and look what I bump into. And this guy. What's up, man? What's your name, man?
My name's Trey.
My name is Troy.
Yeah, it's coincidence. Yeah, it's a 84 Camino. It's pretty much a custom paint job on it. Supposedly the guy that did the paint job actually used to paint helicopters for some company, and he used the paint on that.
So this is helicopter paint.
Supposedly, that's what I was told, you know.
Look at that bumper, y'all. That's a freshly chromed bumper, looks like.
Yeah, well, the clip needs to be painted on it, but other than that, you know.
Oh my God, look at this, y'all. Look, oh yeah, that's clean back there, y'all. Y'all see this? Oh man, look at that, look at that.
Try to be.
This is nice, man. I'm gonna let you go, man. What's your name again?
Trey.
And
enough for you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh yeah.
Go through a drive-thru because motherfuckers so loud they can't hear you inside.
Oh yeah. Woo. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.